On this occasion we will present about why do tears come out when yawning. Have you ever noticed that your eyes leak water like you're crying every time you yawn? This doesn't indicate that you're crying. You are yawning. And there is a specific reason why your eyes are watering. Here are some of the reasons. Have you ever wondered why you yawn? Especially when you are sleepy, bored or tired. Until now, there is no known cause of yawning that often occurs in humans. Some assume that yawning happens because you are bored, tired or sleepy. The reason is, when you feel bored or tired, the system that occurs in the body will slow down its work. Breathing slows down and you inhale oxygen more slowly. In order to keep the body's intake fulfilled and maintained, the body gives a signal to yawn, so that more oxygen enters the body so that the body can still run properly. Another opinion says that yawning serves to stretch the lung organs and surrounding tissues. This stretching is intended to relax the joints and muscles, make the heart rate increase and improve blood circulation. This is why after yawning, you will be more alert. So, why do tears come out when yawning? So, why do your eyes leak water when you yawn? Yawning is the act of opening your mouth, and at the same time, your eyes close, and your cheekbones rise. All these movements trigger contractions in the facial muscles, and squeeze the tear glands. This pressure causes the tears stored in the glands to release and wet the edges of your eyes, making it look like you are crying. The more you yawn, the more these tear glands are compressed, and the more tears are released, making it look like you are crying or have been crying. Normal ka mengwap tanpa mengeluarkan air mata. There's no need to worry when you yawn and don't shed tears, because it's normal. Dry eyes can be the reason why your eyes don't water when you yawn. This often happens when you're on a windy beach. However, blocked tear glands and tear duct disorders can also cause absence of tears when yawning. If your eyes are indeed very dry, you can immediately contact a doctor to check your eye health condition. Thank you for watching.